stand in glory with God in our hearts. In Him we arm ourselves. On your fields, on your mountains, God leads us, giving strength in times of trial. In the name of God, free, strong, with His help, nothing will defeat us. United in love, we will endure. Homeland, in You our hearts will not fade. With faith and hope, through life we walk. In His light, we pause and do. In the face of danger, we are not afraid, because God is with us. With Him we will defeat evil. In the name of God, free, strong, with His help, nothing will defeat us. United in love, we will endure. Homeland, in You our hearts will not fade. Bless, O Lord, our homeland. May Your power lead us